protecting families from the health risks of lead in drinking water. It's why Denver Water is providing a free pitcher and water filters to customers in its lead reduction program. While there is no lead in the water Denver Water sends to your home, lead can get into the water through lead service lines and household plumbing. This is important because lead can have significant health impacts, especially for pregnant women, infants, and children. If your property has been identified as one that has or may have a lead service line, you will receive a box from Denver Water delivered to your home. Inside the box is a free Brita pitcher and a long-last water filter for you and your family. The pitcher should be used to filter water for drinking, preparing infant formula, and making beverages like lemonade, coffee, and tea. You should also use filtered water when cooking food that is mostly water, like soup, or food that absorbs water, like rice and beans. Read and follow the manufacturer's instructions for preparing, using, and maintaining your filter. This video is only a general guide. To begin, wash your hands with soap and water. Then wash the inside of the pitcher. Next, insert the storage reservoir. Then locate the groove on the filter and line it up with the slot in the pitcher. Press the filter firmly into place for a tight seal. Now that the filter is in, you can snap the lid into place. Now you're ready to fill up the pitcher. Remember to always use cold water and don't go over the max fill line. Also, make sure to let the water flow all the way through the filter. When activating a new filter, do this step 3 times and dispose of the water each time. Now the filter is ready and the filtered water is safe to drink and use. To maintain maximum effectiveness, the filter must be replaced at the end of its useful life, which is about every 6 months for the average family. Denver Water will help remind you by sending replacement filters in the mail. Remember to do the 3-step activation process each time you install a new filter. Each time you install a new filter, you'll also need to reset the status indicator light on the top of the pitcher following the manufacturer's instructions. To do this, hold down the status button for a few seconds until all 3 lights flash. Continue holding down the button. You'll see the green standard filter light come on, but keep holding down until the long-last filter button flashes green. Then you're ready to go. You can check the status of the filter anytime by pushing the status button. When it's time to replace the filter, a red light next to replace will blink. Your safety is Denver Water's #1 priority, so again, make sure to follow these simple steps. Use filtered water for drinking, cooking, and preparing beverages, including infant formula. Change your filters regularly and use filtered water until 6 months after your lead service line has been replaced. For more information about the lead reduction program, visit denverwater.org/lead or call 303-893-2444.